I created my virtual representative, and you can try it on my website. You can ask him questions about who am I, what's my expertise, or share your data projects. Questions like, how do I return customers? How do I analyze customers' needs? Or how to get in touch with you? So probably you ask yourself, why Alexander, why you have come up with such a thing? Well, first of all, I wanted to interact more and in a more innovative way with my community. So now my visitors of my website then can ask me questions like, what services do I propose? Did I conduct a project in this or that industry? Do I code in SQL, or do I know OpenAI, or do I know code in R? And then I can go to the dashboard and see all the conversation and found those which I need to reply immediately. And that's cool that I can actually interact more with my community right now. Secondly, I always wanted to have a scoping assistant for my colleagues, which often ask me about how to reduce manual and repetitive work, how to conduct marketing analysis on my customer base. So now I can use my assistant as an interviewer. He asks questions and structure their problematics before I can find out the solution for them. So I can see in the dashboard all the answers of my friends and yeah, bring them a good answer. So it's cool that I can help more people with my time. The last reason is to simply try this new technology for marketing and sales by building and improving incrementally. So don't hesitate to try it on my website and leave your feedback. You can actually comment in directly in the assistant. And it will help me a lot. And you will see that there is bugs. He will act sometimes very strange. He'll say things that I don't actually do, like I don't code in Spark. But it's normal. It's new technology, and we need to learn from errors to how to actually build those things. So I'm very interested in your feedback. And also, if you want me to make a video about how I build this, for a teaser, I use chatbase.co. But whatever the service that you use, the most important thing is how do you instruct it and how do you build this actually to behave the way you want him to behave. Yeah, so don't hesitate to leave in the comments whether you want me to show you how to build it. Yeah, two thoughts about generative AI before leaving you. First, once again, I see that the proper integration of LLM model, it's more important than the pure and raw performance of the model. It's about gaining time in the process with generative AI. A highly performant model can make the process actually longer if it's badly integrated. It can be a very small thing, like the window where we interact with the chat is too small for the user to enter the text. So make sure that you test the whole solution in the process to see whether there is a gain of time with your user. And secondly, fine-tuning is essential in those projects. You can come from a small gain of productivity to game changer solution in a huge process by fine-tuning small things in the process. So it's very incremental work, and it's important to build a foundation to actually test different scenarios and find those which are game changers. Okay, I'll leave you with those two thoughts. Test the assistant, give me feedback, and I'm very interested in your comments and liking the video. Yeah, cheers.